Everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you guys how to get the newspaper edit onto your videos. Now these are going all around TikTok, and I thought it would be a really cool thing to share with you guys today. It was before the Vogue trend, but I kind of just had this pre-recorded, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So what you have to do is go into Video Leap or download it, and I'll leave the link in the description. So just go to Video Leap and import the photo that you want to use. And if yours is a portrait photo, you can just simply rotate that around and then upload that into Video Leap. So then after, go to stickers and then search up like letter E or letter A, whatever you want your thing to be. Just search up the specific letter that you want to use. And then you'll see these newspaper ones, so it's either the second one or the fourth one. And edits like these are really cool. They just add some vintage vibe to it. So yeah, all you have to do is just do that, and then make sure that it's the length of your video, because you don't want to have it shorter than your original content. You want to make the duration the same. So if it's 2 seconds, don't make, if your like original clip is 4 seconds, don't make the sticker 2 seconds. So make sure it's equal. And then after you have placed your first one, go back to sticker and then search up I or D or T or V or A or M or B, wherever you want to do as your letters. So make sure that your layers are still the same, because there's 2 different layers now. And when I was doing this, I realized that I put my D a little too far. So all you have to do is make sure that the layers are equal and they're the same sizing. So after that, just go back and keep on adding your letters that you want to use. And you don't have to do this effect. You can do this effect with many different types of style or lettering, but I just chose to do this one. So just make sure that all the sizes are the same and one's not bigger than the other, because that would just look kind of odd. So make sure they're all the same, so then you can have a really equal edit. And you can choose to write anything that you would like to, because the thing I really like about Video Leap is that you can add as many layers as you want. It doesn't have to be like only 2 letters long. So that's pretty much how you do this edit. And yeah, so you can upload this and you're right to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.